你好, welcome to 1 Minute Chinese. 1 minute a day makes your Chinese great. In this lesson, we will talk about the introduction to Chinese pronunciation, the initial 歌. What's the initial sound? It's the consonant. There are 23 Chinese consonants in the Hanyu Pinyin system. Make sure you watch our previous videos so you will have a better understanding of the Chinese syllable. When you see the English letter G in Pinyin, the pronunciation is 歌. It's like the G in the English word skate. The Chinese 歌 sound is voiceless. It's different from the G in the English word God, which is voiced. First say skate, then hiss the S on the skate, like skate. Then remove the S and the T sound. Say 歌. Be sure to use the muscle at the very back of your tongue and your throat to pronounce the 歌. Say 歌. Now mimic the mouth shape in the video carefully and repeat after it. 歌歌歌歌歌 Pronunciation exercise for 歌 sound. Let's combine the initial 歌, the final and the high-pitched first tone all together. 歌 歌 Repeat after me. 歌歌歌歌 歌 is older brother in Chinese. Another exercise for 歌 sound. Let's combine the initial 歌, the final ao, and the first high-pitched tone all together. 歌 ao 高 Repeat after me. 歌 ao 高 高高高 Gao is tall in Chinese. The Gao building in the picture is Taipei 101. It is the tallest building in Taiwan. Quiz time. Question. When you see the English letter G in Pinyin, how would you pronounce it? The answer is 歌. Are there any topics that you're interested in learning Chinese? Feel free to comment below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. 1 minute Chinese a day makes your Chinese great. Have a blessed day.